Greetings to all the viewers. I'm going to deal with the concept called Crude peptide synthesis. This is the part of organic named reactions. Earlier we gone through the series of sessions based on organic named reactions. All are available at the channel called World of Competitive Chemistry. In addition, we also gone through engineering chemistry, intermediate chemistry, graduation chemistry, post-graduation chemistry, research-based chemistry, competitive examination-based chemistry. All these topics available at the channel called World of Competitive Chemistry. You can go through the channel, you can subscribe and watch regularly and share with your friends so that you will get the informative sessions over there. So definitely you will get the success in the field of chemistry if you are seriously striving about the chemistry, academia, research and competitive examinations. Right. So here the concept what we are discussing now is retrieved from the textbook called Textbook of Organic Named Reactions authored by Dr. Kavita Kothireddy Kota. Crude peptide synthesis is the topic for the day. A Crude rearrangement is base catalyzed 1,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement reaction. Quaternary ammonium salts which are derived from N-alkyl aniline derivatives leading to ortho-allylated aromatic amines. Ortho-allylated aromatic amines will be the final products when we are taking starting material that will be N-allyl aniline derivative can be taken. Upon the nitrogen allylic group will be there and the rest part will be the aromatic amine, that is aniline. So N-allyl aniline will be taken. Base catalyzed 1,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement of this one giving rise to ortho-allyl aniline formation is possible. This is called Crude peptide synthesis. Okay. So during this reaction, if you want to observe this reaction, so here the clear description is provided. You can take benzene ring, upon NH group is there, nitrogen with the CH2 single bond CH double bond CH2 will be taken. When this is the case, during this reaction base catalyzed 1,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement from the first nitrogen atom it will be shifted to 1, 2, 3, third position. So this is the way first position to third position shifting of allyl group taking place. So here the bond representation is provided. Sigma bond is moving toward this side and this pi bond is going towards this side, carbon gaining negative charge, so that here the positively charged carbon is attaching over there. So this is the way bond formation taking place. Later on, here the hydrogen from this carbon atom will be removed and here the double bond again formation taking place to restore the benzene structure once again. Later on, pi bond between the carbon and nitrogen will be back polarized toward the nitrogen and protonated further, so that here you can achieve NH2 functionality and ortho position is occupied by the allyl functionality. This is the way ortho-allyl aniline formation taking place, starting with N-allyl aniline material. So this is called Crude rearrangement process. Reaction mechanism is clearly described over there. So here, in order to understand the mechanism in detail, first of all we need to shift this nitrogen carbon bond toward this side so that you can experience iminium bond in between the nitrogen and carbon, and moreover carbocation is shifting toward the ortho position of the benzene ring, so that here pi bond is polarized carbene ion will attach it to the carbocation, so that new carbon-carbon bond establishment taking place. Later on, here the proton will be there. The proton will be taken by the nitrogen atom and bonded electrons are restoring the benzeneoid structure. That NH group will become NH2 functionality by back polarizing pi electrons towards the nitrogen atom. And here the allyl group at the ortho position you can notice. This is the entire mechanism pertaining to Crude rearrangement. Why can you say it is 1,3 sigma-tropic shift? From the first nitrogen atom, first, second, third carbon atom shifting taking place, hence you can designate 1,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement it will be. Applications of the Crude rearrangement. How the Crude rearrangement helpful for various kind of applications. Useful in the synthesizing ortho-allyl aromatic amines. So ortho-allyl aromatic amine will be the final product of the reaction. Provides access to heterocyclics and pharmaceuticals. Heterocyclics and pharmaceutical compounds synthesized by means of this Crude rearrangement. So allyl substituted aniline core can be taken as a starting material. So shows the important sigma-tropic shift in the aromatic system. So if you are taking aromatic system, there will be a kind of mechanism pertaining to, that is a sigma-tropic rearrangement, 1,3 sigma-tropic, so that aromatic systems will be established even after the entire rearrangement process. This is the way sigma-tropic shifting in the aromatic reactions are taking place by means of Krige rearrangement. Here the synthesis taken within the laboratory. CSIR net purview regarding this Krige rearrangement, it is the part of 1,3 sigma-tropic shift. N-allyl aniline derivatives will participate in the Krige rearrangement process. Orthoallyl substituted aniline formation is the final product. Related with the solvents, related with the Stevens and the Sommelt-Hauser rearrangement. So this Krige rearrangement almost similar to that of Stevens and Sommelt-Hauser rearrangement process. This is the way the entire process of Krige rearrangement is completed, and hopefully this is informative session. In the next session we are going to discuss regarding the Dawson's condensation process. Hope you enjoyed the session, and it will give the worthwhile knowledge regarding the Krige rearrangement and examination purview and the application part mechanism involved in this one. All the concepts are discussed in the detailed manner, and you can go through the channel World of Competitive Chemistry so that you will get more such kind of sessions series over there. So thank you very much for your patient listening.